Hello and welcome back to the channel. We literally just got back from Beach Week in Ocean City, Maryland, Assateague Island, and well, got the Jeep all unpacked. And this is what we're working with. Oh, we got the wife's pen here. These Quadratec mats, man, these mats really impressed us the whole week in Ocean City, Maryland. Like, look at that. It's outstanding. Man, you're gonna have a little bit of sand there, but for the most part, in comparison to some of the other mats out there that we've used in our other vehicles, these mats are clutch. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, I got some vacuuming to do. I got some, I got to get the sunscreen off some of the console in there, the leather seats. I try to be really extra cautious with that. Didn't get any sunscreen on the body. Well, maybe I did a little bit. But we're going to get all that off. Going to give this Jeep a bath. But while I was in Ocean City, Maryland, check out this. I did an install on the beach. Better late than never. We're on the beach, as you can see. There's the missus out there. And I got to install this Pro Clip mount. I can't believe I waited till like the last day that we're here. Actually, tomorrow's the last day, but we're not going to be coming out here on the OSV to install this because it's been long overdue. I didn't know if I had a small enough Phillips to do this installation, but I'm going to give it a shot. I found one. Hopefully it's small enough. So this is what we're installing, guys. It is the Pro Clip center mount for the Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 and up. In conjunction with, there's the missus messing with me. In conjunction with the adjustable charging holder with USB, cigarette plug for small or medium cases. That works with our iPhone X. So this is gonna work. We're gonna get her installed. It's actually very simple to do. And what I like about the Pro Clip mounts, you don't have to drill or do anything crazy with it. It basically just attaches to your dashboard. It snug fits to your dashboard. Well, you're gonna see it. Sorry about the lighting, guys. We're like right in the sun. So this is where your cell phone holder is gonna actually mount to, guys. Notice on the inside of this, there's 3M double-sided tape. Basically, you can put this anywhere, which is really cool. You can put it, well, you don't wanna put it there, but you can put it, I don't know if you can get her there, but you can put it on this side of the dashboard or that side of the dashboard. I'm gonna opt for right here because I don't wanna block too much of the screen or my vent here because I love this vent, even though I usually have it down here on me. So we're gonna remove the 3M tape now. So we got that removed. This is a good, I think that's a good spot right there. I think that is gonna be the ticket. And then basically, boom. Your Pro Clip mount is installed. That's how simple it is. Very simple. Then when you're setting up your cell phone holder, I can't believe I waited this long to do this. I should have did this before we left for our little getaway. Pro Clip recommends you're just gonna loosen these guys right here a little bit. And this is adjustable. See how that can slide in and out? We're gonna put our phone in there. Can't believe I'm doing this on the beach. I could have did this back at the hotel. We're gonna put our phone on there, okay? And then we're gonna slide our phone out. And then we're just gonna, I like to tighten it up just a little bit more so it's nice and snug. And then we're gonna put these guys back in. We're gonna tighten these two Phillips. That's what locks the adjustable portion of the cell phone mount itself. Then inside here is a Phillips. You're gonna completely loosen that. It will not fall out. I mean, these mounts are so simple to install. You'll see, there it is right there, sort of like a square. That square is gonna go back into there when you're done. And you can mount it over here, you can mount it here. I'm gonna mount it here. I didn't want to cover up too much of the tray, that's why I went over a little bit more. So we're gonna go ahead and get those little screws, and we're gonna mount that. Do not over tighten those little screws, you're going into plastic. And you don't wanna lose those 4 little screws So I'm just gonna put them in the cup holder so I don't lose them, especially out here on the beach. You'll never find them again. I like to get one started and then I go to the complete opposite side and start the other one. I drove all the way down here to Ocean City, Assateague Island, without my Pro Clip mount. When it was in the Jeep, I was like, you know what? As soon as I get a chance, I'm gonna install it. Well, you know, we're go, 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 go all the time. All right, now that we got that in, we're gonna install our cell phone holder. You're gonna take your Phillips, and you see that square. You're gonna try to keep it straight when you're going in there, and it will sort of seat into place. There we go. There you have it, guys. Very simple install. You get it done in like 5 minutes. You can even do it on the beach. Literally. Did you just look at that? And for our subscribers, there is a discount code, 10% off. Check it out. It's on the website. If you scroll down in video descriptions, always important stuff in all my video descriptions. There will be a link to my website where you can get the discount code for this item. I have to put it on my website because you never know. Sometimes those codes get hacked and we just have to continuously update the website. It's just easier that way to have you guys go to my website. And there's also important stuff on the website as well, so check it out. It's under partners. I'm definitely gonna hide this wire up inside this little panel here and make it come out nice and neat. So it goes right into there. But I'm so happy to have this back, and then you can just put it sideways. Very cool product by Pro Clip USA. If you don't have a Jeep JL, you have another vehicle, they got all kinds of vehicle specific mounting solutions for your vehicle, and it doesn't damage your vehicle. Great company, love those guys. So the missus was sleeping on the beach. I couldn't let well enough alone. We hid the wire nicely. Boom, there's plenty of room behind this panel here to get in there. And I just put the excess cable, like sort of tied it up together, slid in a little hole in there, and then it looks good. It looks really, really, really good. Made sure I had a nice service loop so I can adjust the mount if I need to. And I'm very happy with it. I think it's nice and clean. You know, per the use, Beast Projects, right? Nice and clean. Only thing you gotta do to remove this, if you guys are interested in removing this panel, get behind here and there's push clips. You pop those push clips, just work your way around it slowly and it'll all come out. And then your ignition is tied into that, so be careful, don't pull it out too far. But you got plenty of room to work behind there to get that wire hidden. What do you think, missus?
I like it. Nice work, Pro Clip USA.
Installs on the beach.
Installs on the beach.
It's clean, isn't it?
It is clean.
The wire hanging down was just bothering me too much. I'm gonna do this now.
I could so see you doing it.
Yep, while you were sleeping.
Aww.
That's how easy a Pro Clip USA mount is to install. You could do it on the beach while you're on vacation if you just have a few simple tools on hand. And I did, luckily. So we got her installed. Look at that. I love the way I routed the wire. Comes out nice and neat right there. It's awesome. Love their stuff. Great product, Pro Clip USA. We had a great time, great time. We're gonna definitely go back again, for sure. Ruby Beast did well on the obstacle course with the misses. It did very well on the OSV. We love this vehicle. The only thing is that I wish we had more room. It's definitely got to get used to not having a whole bed of a truck to put things in. But I'm open to suggestions for this. And no, I'm not going to get rid of the Jeep for you truck guys. We have a truck. We're not going to get rid of it. This is going to be our Jeep vehicle, our off-road vehicle. Maybe take the truck out sometime if the wife will let me. I don't know. She might not. It is her vehicle. It is hers. Belle is hers. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.